had a lot of changes on the life of people. These kind of behaviors keep happening. So he wrote this timeless story about how this young generation interact and how they interact towards ORANJESTAD. The kids, they are learning. Every single day they are learning, and they learn with their mistakes. And when they learn with these mistakes, they can become better adults. Asina Aruba created this group, youth group, for them to practice and to learn how to act and learn how to write and everything. And then, gathering their experience on that, they started practicing with Juan Fransisco Pardo, and then when they were ready, we started shooting. It took about almost 2 years to complete it, because especially on the post-production part, we were doing like by ourselves, like 2 people working and 1 extra person to help on the color correction, but that was it. So, for instance, for you to understand, I created more than 40 songs for this series. So it's a lot of work, and we have a lot of other things that Cine Aruba is doing, and we could input it together and to develop it on a way that it would be great for people to watch.